Kawasaki Ninja 300 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners. Embarking on the journey of motorcycling is a thrilling endeavor filled with excitement, freedom, and a deep connection with the road. For beginners taking their first steps into this captivating world, the choice of their inaugural motorcycle plays a pivotal role in shaping their path. The Kawasaki Ninja 300, with its blend of accessible performance, sleek design, and rider-friendly features, emerges as a standout choice for novice riders. With its balanced power, modern aesthetics, and rider-focused elements, the Ninja 300 offers an ideal platform for beginners to ignite their passion for riding and embark on a journey of growth and exploration. Balanced performance and approachable power. At the heart of the Kawasaki Ninja 300 lies a refined 296cc parallel twin engine that strikes a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers an ideal blend of performance that allows beginners to experience the thrill of sporty riding while maintaining control and confidence. Sporty ergonomics and rider comfort. The Ninja 300 is designed with sporty ergonomics in mind, offering a riding position that provides a blend of comfort and engagement. The slightly forward-leaning stance encourages a connection with the motorcycle, enhancing the overall riding experience for novices. Sleek design and modern aesthetics. The Ninja 300 boasts a sleek and modern design that reflects the lineage of Kawasaki's sport bike heritage. Its sharp lines, aerodynamic contours, and aggressive styling elements contribute to the motorcycle's dynamic aesthetics, appealing to riders seeking both performance and style. Agile handling and nimble maneuverability. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 offers agile handling and nimble maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders who are still honing their riding skills. Its lightweight chassis and responsive characteristics provide riders with the confidence to navigate different road conditions with ease. Safety features and confidence building. Safety remains a priority, especially for beginners. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novices, allowing them to focus on enjoying their riding experience. Urban and spirited riding experience. The Ninja 300's versatility shines in urban environments and spirited rides alike. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between city commutes and exploring curvy roads, all while enjoying the sporty dynamics that the motorcycle offers. Community and rider camaraderie. Enthusiasts of the Kawasaki brand create a community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the Ninja 300's sporty lifestyle. Skill development and riding mastery. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 encourages skill development as beginners build their confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and fully immersing themselves in the sport bike experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 isn't just a starting point, it's a foundation for the rider's journey ahead. Its sporty performance, modern design, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Ninja 300 as they evolve from beginners to experienced motorcyclists. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 exemplifies Kawasaki's commitment to delivering an accessible and dynamic sport bike experience for beginners. With its balanced performance, modern design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Ninja 300 provides an immersive introduction to the world of sport riding. By choosing a Kawasaki Ninja 300, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for spirited rides and the exhilaration of conquering every curve of the road.